Hello, I'm Ginger McGuire. I am an attorney and the owner of McGuire Law. Here at McGuire Law, we focus on the intersection between immigration and family law matters. On the immigration side, we do a lot of family-based immigration, we do a lot of employment-based immigration. We also do deportation defense. We do affirmative applications like naturalization applications. We help people bring their family members here to the United States from overseas. We also help businesses bring skilled labor to the United States. On the family law side, we handle divorces, allocation of parental responsibilities, guardianships, anything that brings a family together or to help a family pivot into perhaps a new adventure in their life. We also perform modification of agreements, whether it be modifications of parenting time or modifications of child support or maintenance.
Hi, my name is Fernanda Battaioli, and I'm an immigration and family law paralegal at McGuire Law. What motivates me every day to keep going and fighting to achieve results is always to watch the transformation in our clients' lives. From the day one, when they arrive here overwhelmed, feeling insecure and emotionally very broken sometimes, because it's a very difficult situation. And when they leave with a definite result for their lives and with a better future.
Hi, my name is Owen Ziegler, and I'm a senior paralegal at McGuire Law. What I've heard from our clients about why they chose to hire McGuire Law to represent them in immigration or family law cases is in part the results. You know, if you get a good result in your case, that's really motivating, especially when it's a high stakes case, like if kids are involved or if there's a deportation on the line. But also, a lot of people really like the personal touch. It's a small firm, we all know each other, we all work together, we all know the cases. So if somebody calls for a case that's not mine, I still have heard that name, I know about that case, and I can jump in and help. And people really like to be on a first name basis with their legal team.
What made me choose working for McGuire Law and staying for so long is that we are different from other firms because we are seen as different individuals, and that enriches our culture. That's seen as a valuable asset, and that works very good in a daily basis because we are from different backgrounds and we can find creative solutions for cases that sometimes are very challenging and need a different look, a different way to solve the problem.
Through my many years of experience, what I've learned is that the most important thing is communication with our clients. Because of that, what we do here at McGuire Law is make sure that we get back to you as soon as we can. On a phone call, we make sure to get back to you same business day, if not the very morning after. When you send us emails, we will get back to you within 24 hours. We never want our clients to feel like we don't care or that we don't hear them.
When people are initially reaching out to attorneys, it's usually because there's a major problem that you can't handle by yourself. And that's scary. And trying to find an attorney can be like finding a doctor or a therapist. You have no idea really what you're dealing with or who you're going to be meeting with, and that can be intimidating too. So when you have a first consultation or an initial meeting with McGuire Law, what you can expect, first and foremost, is to be heard. You can express your concerns, you can express your fears, and you can tell us about your goals, and we will put that at the very top of our list as we review your case. From there, we'll ask you some questions about your personal experience to help us understand how best to help you. And we'll ask you to bring all the documents you have to that meeting or send it to us in advance so we can be sure we have a complete picture of what your case involves. So you can rest assured with your first meeting, although it may be stressful, we understand that. We welcome you to bring whatever emotions you're feeling, along with all the details about your case, so that we can give you the best support possible.